How are you, good people? It's a beautiful morning here in the village, and today I'll be showing you the finished work of the construction of our cow shed here. And I have already relocated my cows here, so let me open first. Let me get in so that I can show you and everything. Yeah. Then today I'll be closing my cow shed with a padlock. Here we have this is the Inca Feifa. Her name is Shiro. Yeah, very healthy, good body score and all that. So look at this. So this is a stripping area, as you can see, guys. I use sawdust as bedding. We have the mineral block there. This is Vet Pro. It is fertility mineral rig. Yeah. Here we have. I opted to go for container, plastic container as a feeding trough. As you can see here, it was taking. This is a Napier silage, Napier grass silage. This is because this is a heifer and it is in cover, as you can see. And here on the other side we have the watering area. I've not yet completed here because this one I was buying for 1500 Kenya shillings and I bought 3, so I'm remaining with 1. But I decided I just want to bring cows in, so that I'll be doing it. I'll be adding the last one here. We have the water area. Let me take you to the other side. You see, this is my lactating cow. As you can see, it is feeding on maize silage mixed with a little bit of dairy meal, as you can see there. These are traps. So I was saying these are. I opted for these because they are easier to clean. Yeah, they are no foreign object that can sting or injure the tongue of the cow. So I opted for this. This wood I'm putting there so that it won't waste so much fodder on the outside. So this is just the feeding troughs. We have water. Make sure your water is very clean. Yeah, and I put on boundary here so that this heifer won't interfere with this one that is lactating. Yeah, look at the floor, very clean. Even the cows are clean, as you can see. Yeah, and this is the part that all the urine, all the water will go to that point. Yeah, and it's not so deep. Yeah, one of my subscribers asked me to not make it so deep, and I did that, exactly that, so that I can ensure comfort of the animal, as you can see there. So this is the milking area. I made it bigger, but still it is working. This is the milking area, and I'm milking well for now. Yeah. Then we have, you see, I have put on the offcut of wood on the side, and that I want to protect animals like dogs to be getting in. Yeah, so I want to make sure that there is no dogs, cats that are getting in the cow shed, so that I don't want to keep on spraying and doing this. I want to treat these soda so that the animal will be comfortable, and at the same time they won't be spread of other things that need to be sprayed, pests and all that. Yeah, so always ensure that your cow shed is good. Yeah, here, and on top here, as you can see, I have put on iron sheet to prevent water from getting into the feeding troughs, as you can see there. Yeah, on the other side I have put on the stripping area. I managed to buy some sheets there. Those are new ones, these ones, and they are okay now. Yeah, so that is the door where I'll be getting in or getting out. Yeah, and this is just a simple structure, guys. Yeah, it may seem simple, but it has cost me some money, and I won't forget a friend named Why Not sent me some assisted me in this project, and I thank you for all that. And I also thank my subscriber for keeping me going. You know, the moment I upload this, it gives me morale to keep on doing good, keep on doing my best, yeah, and to keep on toes, to make sure that the project is finally complete. So what I'm remaining with is just one feeding traps there, and I'll manage. Yeah. What I have noted when you are constructing a cow shed is just go with your pace. Don't rush. Don't go take a run to build. No, go with your pace, and all things will be good. Yeah. So these are my cows for now. I have another one there, but that's a calf. Currently, I'm having this one lactating. Yeah, this one is lactating, and I have this one is a heifer, very playful, and it is from next month I will start swimming up, and by June it will be calving down. Yeah, even this one is in calf, but not for many months, and the point is you just start small, start with what you have, work, be a student, always watch videos from anybody who can teach. Anybody who is practicing dairy farming will teach you one or two. Yeah, do not ignore someone because he or she doesn't have so many heads or doesn't have already a bigger farm established. No, each and every person has something that you can learn from. Yeah, something that you can learn from. So I'm out of the cow shed that I was in. That was very in the worst condition ever. That one, and I was using stones. As you can see, that was the feeding trap. Yeah. People come from far, and this is me now, guys. Yeah. So don't give up. Keep on fighting. Keep on doing what is best for you, and things will be better. With time, things are better. Yeah. So those are the stripping area, the milking area. These are the feeding trough. This is water trough. Yeah. And this is the door, and I'll be locking it. Yeah. So that I don't want each and everybody to come in, so that I can be preventing the spread of diseases, still theft. Although I have dogs, and I'm going to put on CCTV. Don't disregard because this is a small structure, but it tells a lot. Yeah, you see, everything is coming into order. Yeah, let me take you around so that you can see. Yeah, this is Many. Her name is Many. Yeah, and I thank God for all this because we keep on fighting, we keep on doing all that. So here I'm going to put a retro shelf so that I can put on the mineral brocoso. So this is my making area. This is what I was saying when I was saying I don't want any rodent or dogs to get in, so that I can preserve the sawdust. Yeah, yeah. So that is it, guys. It is just a very simple structure, and it is housing those two cows for now. But I can even put three. But for now, let me work with those two and keep running from two, because with time I'll continue adding, I'll continue doing all that I can, but let me first gain so much experience so that I can know how to care for one before I get to know how to care for many. So that is it, guys. The project is over, but I keep on improving where I have done bad, and I hope you too have learned something, and you are going to act. And if you have not started dairy farming, just start small and grow with time. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your support, and always for watching my videos. Thank you and have a wonderful time.